Sweetie, would you like some fingers?
Morning, Dad.
Morning. You're up early. Hey, you want to go out today?
I have to finish reading. If Mom were here, she'd be happy to see me reading.
Hey, you should go out.
Let's go to the beach, where you and Mom first met.
Hey, look, I need to go out of town this afternoon, and I'll be back the day after tomorrow. You want to go over Grandpa's?
No,
Why?
I don't want to go anywhere unless you take me to the sea.
Ooh. Hey. I talked to Hank. He's gonna bring you food today and tomorrow. Look, I know you don't know who he is, but he's very nice. I'm sorry about the seaside. I promise I'll take you there soon. Oh God, oh, I gotta go. Mwah. Take care.
What are you doing?
dinner. Right? All right, listen. I'll be back for this later. If you need something, tell me.
Hank. Hank,
Yeah.
can I keep this?
No. Because, I mean, actually, I was going to put that in tomorrow's lunch. Do you like that seashell?
The last time I saw my mom, we were at the beach looking for seashells. She says that's where she met Dad.
Yeah, I heard about the car accident. Listen, I got a lot of those seashells over my place. Why don't you come with me? We'll take a look at them.
No,
Why? I'll let you keep that seashell. You can just tell me why you don't want to go out. Hmm?
because of my dad. I miss Mom so much. I know he misses her more than I do.
You know, sometimes it's just better to just keep moving forward than to look back to a place that, well, where there's just too much pain and sorrow.
But he's not moving forward. I'm worried about him.
And is that why you just decided not to go out anymore? You know, how's that working out for you?
I don't know.
You know, honey, I think you're worried way too much about this.
Will you take me to the beach? Please. You know how much this means to me.
Look, honey,
Just this time, please.
Kathy, I'm home.
Dear Ryan, Kathy wants to say sorry about refusing to go out. She wants to get some fresh air. Come and meet us at the beach.